Welcome to Math with Mr. J.
In this video, I'm going to cover how to divide a negative integer by a negative integer, so a negative divided by a negative. Let's jump into number 1, where we have negative 9 divided by negative 3. With this being a negative divided by a negative, we have the same signs. This means our quotient, the answer to a division problem, will be positive. Just like when we multiply integers, having the same signs will equal a positive answer. Let's think of this as 9 divided by 3, which is 3. And again, this is going to be positive because we had the same signs, a negative divided by a negative. Our final answer, positive 3. Now, I like to picture and think through this as dividing negative 9 into groups of negative 3. In other words, how many groups of negative 3 are in negative 9? Or think about how many negative 3's can we pull out of negative 9? Well, 3 negative 3's. Again, our final answer, a positive 3. Now to go off of that, division is the inverse or opposite of multiplication. So we can also go the opposite way using multiplication. So let me rewrite our problem here. Negative 9 divided by negative 3 equals what? So what times negative 3 will give us negative 9? Well, that positive 3. Positive 3 times negative 3 equals negative 9. And we know that 3 needs to be positive because a positive, positive 3, times a negative, negative 3, will give us a negative answer, negative 9. Let's move on to number 2, where we have negative 50 divided by negative 5. So we have a negative divided by a negative, so same signs. That's going to give us a positive quotient. Let's think of this as 50 divided by 5, which gives us 10. And again, that's going to be positive. So our final answer, a positive 10. Now we can think through this as dividing negative 50 into groups of negative 5. So how many groups of negative 5 are in negative 50? That's going to be our final answer of 10. Let's also take a look at this using the inverse of division, the opposite of division, multiplication. We will go the opposite way here. So negative 50 divided by negative 5 equals what? So what times that negative 5 equals negative 50? That's going to be positive 10. 10 times negative 5 equals negative 50. So there you have it. There's how you divide a negative by a negative.